I'm Monica Robbins with your top 3 health headlines. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration may put black box warnings on COVID-19 vaccines. It's not clear if the warning applies to all vaccines or just the mRNA version, or if it applies to all age groups. A black box is the FDA's most serious warning, and it appears at the top of prescribing information for medicines. It's intended to warn about risks such as death or life-threatening or disabling reactions that should be weighed against the benefits. The plan is not finalized. It may change, but it is expected to be unveiled by the end of the year. More than 700 million people around the world have received COVID vaccines since they became available. Stanford Medicine researchers identified why mRNA COVID vaccines can cause rare heart inflammation in some young men. The study found 2 immune proteins work in sequence to trigger the condition. One type of immune cell releases a protein that activates another immune cell, which then releases a second protein, and together they cause inflammatory damage to heart muscle. The research team successfully blocked this process using a compound derived from soybeans. The findings could lead to safer vaccines in the future. The condition, however, remains extremely rare, occurring in about 1 in 16,000 young men, and most patients recover fully. The research appears in Science Translational Medicine. And changes may be coming to your sunscreen. The FDA proposing the use of bemetrizinol in sunscreens. This chemical, which combats ultraviolet A and B rays, is commonly used in sunscreen in other parts of the world, including Europe and Australia. The FDA is seeking public comments on the matter, and officials say they will conduct a safety assessment before making a final decision on this issue. Most skin cancers are caused from an excess of ultraviolet radiation from the sun or sun lamps and tanning beds. The CDC says more than 6 million people are treated for skin cancer each year. I'm Monica Robbins, and that's your Daily Dose.